Hello, guys. I hope everyone is fine. We are going to look at something very quick here in the gold weekly market. This is just a 3 by 1 square that we projected forward. We projected the time duration for this major bear range here, which spanned, let's see, let's measure it, spanned about 1, 5, 1547 days. So we just squared forward three squares of 1547 days. Then we can see the first square already completed, second square also completed, and then price now is trading within the third square. Now, these red lines are the 1 by 1 angles across the 3 by 1 square, which we can see this line here looks like the strongest because it was supports resistance at this point, was also resistance here, and this decline here was on the zero point 0.5, that is the midpoint of the 3 by 1 square. The sharp decline we had in March was exactly when price traded into the wall or the end of the second square, which you can see second March here. But this is a weekly time frame, so it shows second March, that is the second March to 7th March candle. That is where the price traded into the wall of the ending of the second square. So price declined sharply and then rose again into the third square. Now, price is within this square, but if we want to treat alone the cross angles or the 1 by 1 angles in this third square, then we can see that price has reached a barrier in this third square. If we draw, let's use a different color, say blue line. If we draw the 1 by 1 angle in this square like that, then we can see from here price has traded exactly into that wall of this 1 by 1 angle. If we draw for the other side, then this is the 1 by 1 angle in that third square. This is the 1 by 1 angle in this square alone. And this is the level where we have been monitoring for about a week now, where we anticipated price to trade into this resistance zone. So currently price has touched this 1 by 1 wall here. Then there are other angles also within this 1 by 1. So the zone here, although price has not completed the top, that is 1920, price has not completed the top level, but we can see it has traded into the 1 by 1 zone here at 1840, I think. So ideally, price trading into this 1 by 1 zone, we expect some correction, but as we said, the top level is still not completed, but we expect that maybe as price has traded into this 1 by 1 zone, then we can find some corrections before price action will continue to the top of the zone. Also, there are some other angles we can draw to see that this zone here is a hot zone actually. So let's use a fib, then let's take from the top, okay, from the down rather, because we want the expansion ranges. So like that. Okay, now if we want to draw the other angles, we can draw the 0.382 angle here. You can draw also the zero point 0.5, that is the half angle we discussed previously. And then we can draw also the 1.618 angle here. Of course, we can also draw the 1 by 0.707, that is a sacred angle. So we can draw that angle. Now, when we draw this angle, then we can see that this zone here is a typical hot zone because there are many resistances there in that zone. So maybe price will get to the top here, but from this point it will meet some considerable resistance before maybe it can go through to the top. So now the first angle we want to consider is this 1 by 1 angle where price has touched the top of that 1 by 1 angle, and we expect some correction, ideally to maybe start. If we want to check also the whole range divisions, as we always do, we can use our gun angle to check the whole range divisions in that square, and then we can see the various divisions here. This top here was on the 0.382 decline. This here, this decline was on the 0.202. Then this top was on the half angle, which is the zero point 0.5. Now here we can see we are going into the 0.707. This bottom here, if we use the 0.667, we can find this bottom here was exactly on the 0.667. So as we go into the 0.707, that is, I think, first week in September, but price has already touched this 1 by 1 resistance zone. So ideally, we expect some resistance to start to play out. So guys, just take care, and then protect your profits if you are on the buy side. And as we look to get to the top, know that there will be some resistances here in this zone. So let's watch, let's take care and protect our profits. And good luck to you all. Thanks for watching, guys.